Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Versus video. Today I want to talk to you about winterization. Winterization is something that's very interesting. There's two camps. One camp says you blow out your lines using air pressure. The other camp says you pump your lines full of antifreeze using your water pump. Is either wrong? No. Is either better? In my opinion, blowing the lines out with air is much better, and let me tell you why. The antifreeze is a little bit oily. After a few years of filling your lines full of antifreeze, you'll get a residue that kind of builds up in the lines, and then you get like this foamy, sudsy, kind of smelly stuff that comes out with your water eventually. Really hard to get rid of it, really hard to make it go away. A lot of people try sterilizing their water systems, all this kind of stuff, but it sort of just clings to those lines really, really well. So how do you prevent it? Very simply, blow those lines out. You want to get an air compressor. You want to buy the little insert that you put into your city water fitting. You can get them at any RV dealership. Call us, we have them in stock. You're going to hook up your air compressor to that, turn on your faucet, right, one at a time. Then you're going to do the kitchen faucet with the bathroom faucet, the kitchen faucet with the toilet. And we have a video on exactly how to do this. But again, if we're talking, do I pump the lines full using my water pump, pump them full of antifreeze, or do I blow my lines out? We strongly suggest you blow your lines out. The only place you need antifreeze then is you put a little bit in every sink trap, and you put some in your toilet to keep your toilet seal lubricated and wet all winter. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Again, go to our YouTube page. You'll find right there how to winterize using the air, and try it out. It's really simple. If you want us to do it, we'd love to do it for you. Phone number is 877-877-4494. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook.